So what is non-verbal communication? Non-verbal communication is the sending or a receiving of wordless messages. Non-verbal communication is a sending and receiving of wordless messages. We can say that communication other than oral or a written. Oral and written, okay? And gesture, body language, posture, tone of voice or a facial expression is called as a non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication में क्या सब include रहेगा? Means as a gesture, body language, posture, tone of voice or a facial expression is called as a non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication is the transmission of message or a signal through a non-verbal platform such as eye contact, facial expression, gesture, posture and the distance between two individual. वहाँ पे written और oral communication नहीं होगा, directly eye contact से होगा. Means non-verbal communication is the transmission of message or signal through a non-verbal platform. So non-verbal platforms such as eye contact, facial expression, gesture, posture and a distance between the two individual. Okay, so non-verbal communication help receiver in interpreting the message received frequently. Non-verbal signals reflect the situation more accurately than verbal message. Sometimes non-verbal response contradict verbal communication and thus affect the effectiveness of message. Okay, then this is the content. What is non-verbal communication, जो मैं आपको अभी explain की हूँ. What is non-verbal communication? Then now I explain element of non-verbal communication and then type of non-verbal communication. We have to learn in detail one by one. Okay. So element of non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication has the following three elements. Three elements है non-verbal के. What are they? First is the appearance, then body language and a sound. These are the three elements of non-verbal communication. First is appearance, means speaker, clothing. Appearance में क्या आएगा? इसमें include रहेगा clothing है, then hairstyle, neatness, use of cosmetics, surrounding, room size, lighting, decoration, furnishing. So these are the elements of non-verbal communication. कि हम हमारी हेयर स्टाइल कैसी होती है, देन क्लोथिंग, ड्रेसिंग सेंस कैसा है हमारा, ओके, देन यूज ऑफ कॉस्मेटिक्स, देन सराउंडिंग, रूम साइज, लाइटनिंग, मीन्स जो हम इंटीरियर डेकोरेशंस करते, होम डेकोरेशंस, फर्निशिंग एक्सेट्रा. ओके, देन बॉडी लैंग्वेज, फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन आएगा. बॉडी लैंग्वेज के अंदर क्या है? फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन, जेस्चर, पोस्चर, हम कैसे बैठते, कैसे बात करते, कैसे चलते, है ना. So this is the body language. Next is the sound, voice tone. Voice tone is important. Volume, then speech rate. किसी का टोन बहुत ज़्यादा हाई होता है, कोई हर कोई डिफरेंट टोन में बात करता है ना. कोई बहुत स्लो स्लो आवाज में बात करता है. So these are the elements of non-verbal communication. Okay. Non-verbal communication or a body language is a critical form of communication, a natural, unconscious language that broadcasts our true feelings and purposes in any given moment and clues us into the feeling and intention of those around us. Then type of non-verbal communication. हमने elements पढ़े, elements of non-verbal communication. Now I explain type of non-verbal communication. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? Okay. So type of non-verbal communication, there are many different types of non-verbal communications. Unitedly, the following non-verbal signals and cues convey your interest and investment in others. So first type, there are 7 type of non-verbal communication are briefly explained below. So first is a facial expression. 7 types है इसके non-verbal के. The human first is a facial expression. The human face is extremely expressive. है ना. सबसे ज़्यादा हम जब बात करते तो हमारा फेस इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है बात करते दफ़ा. हम कैसे एक्सप्रेशंस दे रहे सामने वाले को, हमारे फेस पे स्माइल है या हम थोड़ा एंगर फेस है, एक्सप्रेशंस इम्पॉर्टेंट होते. सो द ह्यूमन फेस इज एक्सट्रीमली expressive, able to express countless emotions with saying a words, without saying a words. Okay, फेस हमारा एक्सप्रेस करता है ना काउंटलेस इमोशंस विदाउट सेइंग अ वर्ड्स. हम कभी कभी कुछ बोलते ही नहीं लेकिन ऐसे एक्सप्रेशन देते कि सामने वाले को समझ में आ जाता है कि हम what we want, right? And unlike some forms of non-verbal communication, facial expression are universal. The facial expression for a happiness, डिफरेंट इमोशंस होते हैं हमारे, डिफरेंट फीलिंग्स होते हैं, लाइक हैप्पीनेस, सैडनेस, एंगर, सप्रेसिव, देन फियर. कभी कभी बहुत ज़्यादा सरप्राइज हो जाते तो कैसे फेस बनाते हैं, देन फियर होता है, एंड disgust are the same across the cultures. Okay, so next is body movement and posture. हमने वर्बल में सिर्फ ओरल और रिटर्न से रिलेटेड पढ़े. यहाँ पे हमारी पूरी बॉडी लैंग्वेज और फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन वगैरह आएंगे इसके अंदर. सो बॉडी मूवमेंट एंड पोस्चर बिलीव हाउ योर perceptions of people are affected by the way they sit, walk, and stand up, or hold their head. The way you move and carry yourself communicates a wealth of information to the world. These type of non-verbal communication include your posture bearing, stance, and elusive movements. यानी हम कैसे बैठते हैं, कैसे बात करते हैं, कैसे चलते हैं ना, ये सब हमारा जो बॉडी पोस्चर होगा ये इसमें इंक्लूडेड है. मीन्स बॉडी मूवमेंट एंड पोस्चर. नेक्स्ट इज जस्टर्स. Gestures are woven into the fabric of our daily lives. Gestures are woven into the fabric of our daily life. We wave, point, then beckon, and use our hands when we're arguing or speaking animatedly, expressing ourselves with justice or often without thinking, right? So, nevertheless, the meaning of gesture can be very different across culture and region. So, it's important to be careful to avoid misinterpretation. Okay. Next is a eye contact. Eye contact, because the visual senses in dominant for the most people, eye contact is particularly important type of non-verbal communication. Eye contact बहुत ज़्यादा important होता है. जब भी हम किसी से बात करते हैं तो eye contact वहाँ पे होना चाहिए. The way you look at someone can communicate many things, including interest, affection, hostility, or attraction. Eye contact is also crucial in maintaining the flow of conversation. अगर कोई हमसे बात करे, हम यहाँ वहाँ देख रहे तो वहाँ पे वो कॉन्वर्जेशन सही से नहीं होगा. ऐसे लगेगा सामने वाला जो है लिसनर और स्पीकर है, स्पीकर बोल रहा है और वहाँ पे हम आई कांटेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे तो ऐसे लगेगा इंटरेस्ट नहीं है सामने वाले का, लिसनर का इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, राइट? So eye contact is very important. Eye contact is also crucial in maintaining the flow of conversation and for judging the other person's response. Okay, next is a touch. Next type is a touch. We communicate a great deal through touch. Think about the messages given by the following: a firm handshake, a timid tap on a shoulder, a warm bear hug, and assuring a pat on the back. Then next is a patronizing a pat on the head or a controlling grip on your arm. So these are the touch. So we communicate a great deal through a touch. Touch is very important. जब भी हम किसी बात कर रहे हैं तो उस हिसाब से जैसे हम बात करेंगे उस हिसाब से वहाँ पे टच होता है. So we communicate a great deal through a touch. Next is a space. Have you ever felt uneasy during a conversation because the other person was standing too close and invading your space? We all have a need for a physical space, although that need differs depending upon the culture, the situation, and the closeness of the relationship. स्पेस किस पे डिपेंड कर रहा है वहाँ पे? स्पेस डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द कल्चर, then the situation and closeness of the relationship. So you can use physical space to communicate many different non-verbal messages, then including signals of intimacy, then aggression, dominance or affections. So space किस पे डिपेंड है? Culture, situation and closeness of the relationship. Then next is voice. It's not just what you say. Voice, it's not just what you say, it's how you say it. When we speak, other people read our voice in addition to heading to our words. Things they pay attention to include your timing and pace, how loud you speak, your tone and inflections and sound that convey understanding. Okay, so voice is very important इन नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन, क्योंकि हम जब हमारी वॉइस हम बात करते हैं तो हम डिफरेंट टोन्स में अगर बात कर रहे हैं, लाउडली बात कर रहे हैं तो अटेंशन मिलता है. मीन्स इट्स जस्ट नॉट व्हाट यू से, इट्स हाउ यू से. हम उस बात को किस वे में बोल रहे हैं. Just what you say, it's how you say it. When we speak, other people read our voice in addition to heeding to our words. Okay, for example, think tone of voice can show sarcasm, then anger, affection or a confidence. Next point is tip for reading body language and non-verbal communication. 7 टाइप्स देखे हमने, अभी हम लोग टिप्स देखेंगे. टिप्स फॉर रीडिंग बॉडी लैंग्वेज एंड अ नॉन वर्बल communication. Once you have developed your powers to manage stress and recognize emotions, you will naturally become better at reading the non-verbal signals sent by others. Okay, there are three tips. First is a pay attention to inconsistencies. Pay attention to inconsistencies. Non-verbal communication should reinforce what is being said. is the person is saying one thing and their body language something else. Means verbal communication should reinforce what is being said. Is the person is saying one thing and their body language something else, है ना? हम कुछ बोल रहे और बॉडी लैंग्वेज कुछ बोल रही है. एग्जाम्पल, आर दे टेलिंग यू yes while shaking their head no? ओके, सो अटेंशन होना चाहिए पूरी तरह से. Look at non-verbal communication signals as a group. Don't read too much into a single motion or a non-verbal cue. Believe all of the non-verbal signal you are receiving, from eye contact to tone of voice and a body language taken together. Are their non-verbal cues consistent, okay, or inconsistent with what they word are saying? Then last is trust your instincts, or we can say the aptitudes. Okay, trust your aptitudes, or we can say the instincts. So don't ignore your gut feelings. Don't ignore your gut feelings. If you get the sense that someone isn't being honest, or that something isn't adding up, you may be picking up on a mismatch between verbal and a non-verbal cues. So trust on your aptitude. Okay. यहाँ तक समझ में आया आप लोगों को व्हाट इज नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन? देन हमने देखे एलिमेंट्स ऑफ नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन, देन टाइप्स ऑफ नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. देर आर 7 टाइप्स. टेल मी एनी वन. टेल मी एनी वन टाइप. 7 टाइप्स मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया ना आप लोगों को अभी. हेलो, are you listen my voice? Yes. Tell me types of non-verbal communication. There are 7 types.
Sign language,
Okay.
expression, body
Which
language,
expression? Which expression?
gestures, touch,
Yes. Facial expression, body movement and posture, gesture, eye
eye
contact,
contact,
touch. Okay. Then last point था tips for reading body language and non-verbal communication. Okay. जो notes में आंसर है वही है. Means non-verbal communication, it take place through a sign, picture and sounds. Then sign language, there are 2 types: visual sign and audio sign. Visual sign is poster sign, color sign, charts, maps, graphs. These are the visual sign. And audio sign is a sound signs. Okay. Then B point is a body language. बॉडी लैंग्वेज में क्या इंक्लूड रहेगा? पोस्चर है, देन फेशियल, आई बिहेवियर एंड कॉन्टैक्ट, देन जेस्चर, पोजीशन ऑफ हेड, जो मैंने आप लोगों को ये 7 टाइप्स में एक्सप्लेन की हुई है सब कुछ. ओके. Now we see the advantage and advantage and disadvantage of non-verbal communication. Okay, so advantage क्या है उसके non-verbal communication के? Impact creation, it create a good impact on the speaker and a listener. This is the advantage of non-verbal communication, create a good impact on the speaker and listener. Then better remembrance. Visual posters, signs, charts, maps, etc. of non-verbal communication help in better remembrance of the message information. हमको posters से signs है, then charts, maps ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझ में आता है ना. So non-verbal communication help in better remembrance of message information. Then built next advantage is a built relations, feelings, emotions. Means red color for warmth, then green color for the freshness, yellow for the hospitality, etc. In non-verbal communication, build relation, feelings, and emotions. Then next advantage is explore ideas. Non-verbal communication build relation, better feelings and emotions in speaker and listener. It may generate further discussion and may explore ideas. Non-verbal communication explore करता है ideas को, right? And generate further discussions. Then educational value. Sign of no smoking, then sign of no smoking educate the illiterate. पोस्टर से भी illiterate pupils समझ जाते हैं ना. So sign is वहाँ पे हेल्पफुल होती है. तो साइन ऑफ नो स्मोकिंग एजुकेट्स द इलिटरेट. साइन ऑफ नो हॉर्न, स्पीड, then speed breakers etc. educate literate to in non-verbal communication. So these are the advantage of non-verbal communication. Then disadvantage of non-verbal communication is different acceptance. Some people may not accept high pitches voice of non-verbal communication, may not understand sign, color, body languages, etc. in non-verbal communication. Okay, may have different meaning in different culture. Different culture में उसके meanings changes होते हैं, so it not understand properly. Okay, so this is the disadvantage. False, fake, incorrect body language. So listener may use adopt the fake or incorrect body language. It may mislead non-verbal communication. अगर लिसनर सही से नहीं सुन पा रहा है, वो इनकरेक्ट बॉडी लैंग्वेज वहाँ पे हो रही है, तो वो क्या होगा? मिसलीड नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन होगा. Listener may use adopt the fake or incorrect body language. It may mislead non-verbal communication. Many distract, irritate. Means certain sign, posture, body language, etc. may distract or irritate due to frequent use. Then last disadvantage is many compromise quality of communication. More emphasis on a sign, etc. may decrease quality of communication. Okay. So these are the disadvantage. So here question is completed. Okay. समझ में आया सबको? Non-verbal communication.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Next question I will explain in the next lecture. We should stop here. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.